Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Gatundu. To be specific, we are 5 minutes from Mama Gina's residence, and this is a gated estate of 14 units. Each unit has a print area of 130 square meters, and each unit comes with a 2-car parking like this one. On the opposite side, you have a small garden where you can do your beans and some tomatoes. The estate is open on this side where you have this pavement, and this space can be used as a kids play area. Each of the unit is separated from the others by small life fence, and the whole estate has been surrounded by a perimeter wall and a razor wire. Each unit has been constructed on a 40 by 80 lot of land, and each unit comes with 2 entrances, one through the laundry area and the other one is the main entrance. I'll take you inside. From the main entrance, the living room is a sufficient space for your family, and it comes with this molding that has been made to act as the electronics area. I like it that the developer made it big enough for a 65 or a 75-inch TV. The living room comes with these 4 windows to make sure that you are getting enough light during the day. And during the night, you can get your light from the center light here, an extra light on the opposite side, and another light in the dining area. I like how the dining space flows away from the living room, and this space will be sufficient for your 6-seater or a 7-seater dining table. The developer also added a sink here for you to clean your hands before you eat your meals. But he forgot to add a mirror, of which you'll have to add it yourself. The dining area opens to the kitchen through this rectangular shaped opening, and I like it that the laundry area is just opposite the kitchen, so it makes it very easy for you to clean your everything on this side of the unit. The kitchen comes with this space for your refrigerator. Also, it comes with upper and lower cabinets, and this space has been reserved for your gas cooker. On the opposite side, you have a double sink, and this entrance or exit will take you to the laundry area. From here, I'll take you direct to the bedrooms area, and you'll see what they have. The primary bedroom, which is on this side, has been separated from the kids' bedrooms by the common washroom. And as you can see from there, the space has been very well utilized. Let's see the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is not the biggest, though it will be big to fit a 5x6 or a 6x6 bed. The bedroom comes with its closet on this side. It is not the biggest, so if you have a very big appetite of shopping, you'll have to tame it. The space comes with 2 drawers down there, but you have an extra space above the closet. On the opposite side, you have the primary bathroom, and it comes with a wash basin on this side. On my left hand side, you have the showering area, and on this side, you have the washroom area. Let's see the rest of the house. The first kid's bedroom is of the same size to the primary bedroom. I don't know why the developer did this, but maybe it's an advantage, especially when you have bigger kids or you have guests. As you can see from there, the space is big enough to fit a 4x6 bed like this one or a bigger bed. The bedroom comes with its closet on this side, and it adopts the same concept to the other closet that we saw in the primary bedroom. This is the washroom to this bedroom. All the bathrooms in this gated estate adopt a similar concept. One side has been reserved for the washroom area, and the other side has been reserved for the bathroom area. At the center, we have a wash basin. This is the second and the last bedroom of this unit, and it adopts a similar concept to that one in both orientation and shape. Right now, I'm not going to show you inside because the developer is using it to keep the extra materials. We have come to the end of the tour, and if you would like to purchase this unit or you like this locality in particular, feel free to call us in the number attached in the first comment below. If you would want to see a slightly cheaper unit, click up here. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.